You leave your hotel room for 5 minutes, come back, tap or swipe the exact same key card, and the lock flashes red. Nothing looks damaged, nobody touched the card. Yet somehow, your room has decided you no longer belong there. Most people immediately blame their phone. Hotel staff may even tell you that keeping the card beside a mobile phone erased it, but that explanation is often incomplete, and with many modern key cards, it may be completely wrong. A hotel key card usually does not contain a traditional metal key pattern. Instead, it carries a small piece of digital information that tells the electronic lock which room you may enter and how long that permission lasts. Hotels mainly use two types of cards. Older systems use a magnetic stripe, similar to the stripe found on some bank cards. Newer systems commonly use RFID, where a tiny chip and antenna communicate with the lock when the card is held nearby. When you check in, the hotel's computer programs the card with access credentials. These may include your room number, an identification code, and a time window covering your stay. The door lock reads that information, checks whether it is valid, and releases the latch. That time limit is one of the biggest reasons cards suddenly stop working. Hotel locks are designed to automatically reject old guests. Your card may be programmed to expire at a specific checkout time. If your stay is extended but the card is not updated correctly, the hotel's reservation system may show that you are still staying, but the lock may continue following the original expiry information. In some systems, creating a replacement card can also cancel the previous one. This prevents a lost card from remaining active. So if another person in your room asks reception for a new card, your original card may stop working even though nobody physically touched it. Magnetic stripe cards can also be damaged. The stripe stores information using tiny magnetized regions. Strong magnets, worn card readers, scratches, bending, repeated swiping, or low-quality encoding can corrupt that pattern. But an ordinary phone sitting beside the card is not always the main threat people imagine. Most phones do not produce a powerful magnetic field capable of instantly erasing every hotel card. However, phone cases, wallets, mounts, and accessories containing strong magnets can create a greater risk, especially for weaker magnetic stripe cards. RFID cards work differently. They cannot normally be demagnetized because their data is stored on an electronic chip, not a magnetic stripe. But they can still fail if the card is bent hard enough to damage the hidden antenna, if the chip is defective, or if the hotel's access system changes your permissions. And sometimes, the card is perfectly fine. Electronic hotel locks run on batteries. When those batteries become weak, the lock may struggle to read cards or operate its motor. Dirt, moisture, a damaged reader, an incorrect internal clock, or a communication problem with the hotel system can also cause a valid card to be rejected. That is why reception usually fixes the problem by re-encoding the card. They are not repairing a physical key. They are issuing fresh digital permission and making sure the access period matches your booking. So when a hotel key card suddenly stops working, it is not necessarily because you erased it. It may have expired, been replaced, been physically damaged, lost its digital credentials, or the door itself may be the real problem. That thin plastic card is not really a key at all. It is a temporary password, and the moment the system stops trusting it, the door stays locked. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more hidden technology insight, everyday things, and as always, stay curious.